Hey there, holiday enthusiasts! Let's dive into the colorful world of Thanksgiving and explore how it differs between Canada and the USA. First up, the date. In Canada, Thanksgiving is celebrated on the second Monday of October. That's right, a full month and a half before the American Thanksgiving, which falls on the fourth Thursday of November. So while Canadians are already packing away their Thanksgiving leftovers, Americans are just gearing up for theirs. Next, let's talk about the origins. Canadian Thanksgiving traces back to 1578, when explorer Martin Frobisher celebrated a safe journey through the Northwest Passage. Meanwhile, American Thanksgiving commonly commemorates the 1621 feast shared by the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag tribe. Two different stories, two rich traditions. Now, the food. While both countries love turkey, stuffing, and pie, there are a few unique dishes. Canadians often enjoy butter tarts and Nanaimo bars, sweet treats that are rarely seen at American tables. Americans, on the other hand, might indulge in pumpkin pie and green bean casserole. Finally, the vibe of the holiday. In Canada, Thanksgiving is more about celebrating the harvest and giving thanks for the past year. It's typically a quieter, more low-key affair. In the USA, it's a bigger event with parades, football, and a focus on family gatherings. It's also the kickoff to the holiday season, leading straight into Christmas festivities. Thanks for joining me on this Thanksgiving journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more holiday insights. Head over to leroyabrown.ca to discover more. Happy Thanksgiving!